When I think about the conversations that we have with our clients and prospects and take a look at the topics that are relevant to the people that we interact with in the business world, I don't know if there is any topic that is more relevant, that is more timely than the subject of cyber liability and data breach protection. We are going to do a very brief, quick hits sort of series here on our website, YouTube channel. I don't know where you're watching this from. It's one or the other. A lot of our videos are a little bit more in-depth, somewhere between 4 and 10 minutes worth of discussion on a subject. A lot of people have said, hey, have you considered putting, a quick hit sort of thing out there, 2 minutes or less, where I can just pop in, get some really useful information fast and get back to my day? Because some people don't want to sit here and watch a video about insurance or risk management topics for 10 minutes, which I totally get. That's fine. So this is the introductory video for Cyber Insurance Explained. There's not going to be any bumper. There's not going to be any sort of fancy in and out. We're not going to go all the way into certain subjects. We are going to hit a total of 6 distinct topics within the world of cyber liability insurance, data breach, the sublimits, the coverages inside of a well-structured program, and discuss exactly why we should care about this as business owners, and also some of the things that are very commonly missed in other programs, whether it's an endorsement on a business owner's policy, or you are with a captive carrier that has simply limited options for this line of coverage. In a more global sense, they simply don't have the options that you need as a business owner, as a real estate investor. So we're going to jump right into the conversation here. And just so you know what we're talking about, I'm just going to read from my list here. This series, this playlist on our channel is going to cover the following topics. Whether it is a reimbursement policy or paid on behalf of. Very big difference as far as money coming out of your pocket. First party coverage versus only third party coverage. Someone else is getting the money and you're simply being reimbursed for money that has to go out to a third party based on cyber event or data breach of some kind. Then we're going to talk about ransom coverage and cyber extortion on one of these little 2-minute hits. We're going to talk about social engineering and fraudulent transfer on the next one. And then we're going to get into important coverages that are often either left out of competitors' policies, or they simply have very small limits of coverage where they're on the policy, but the coverage is insufficient in my professional opinion. And lastly, we're going to very briefly touch on the importance of a crime insurance policy. Crime being a nice little complement to cyber liability and data breach coverage for your business. So stick around, check out video number 2. We're going to get into that here in just a moment.